Congratulations, BIR, for holding your 10th anniversary Jubilee workshop, and thanks to the committee, especially Philip, for soliciting this opinion piece. Let me make an analogy of scholarly work as an organism, perhaps like a tree. BIR has quietly grown into small crops of publications, introspecting the anatomy and ecology of scholarly communication. Now, we've seen many of our colleagues, some here in this room, others probably watching asynchronously, explore this internal structure, the roots, the trunks, the leaves, of scholarly communications argumentation and its artifacts. We've also seen works on the use and its facilitation through both natural language processing and information retrieval infused fertilization techniques. We've learned how to grow and tend to our forests better. Altmetrics and trend analysis, staples of scientometrics, really took root during our time. And yet, most of the revolutions, if any revolutions can be said to have occurred, in scholarly communication processing over the last decade that affect daily authorship have not really, in fact, come directly from our community's work. Sightseer, Web of Science, Google Scholar, A-Miner, to name a few of the digital libraries, and all of these others have originated before the year 2010. Can our community create and shape the next scholarly platform for communication that reaches beyond the idea of the hamburger, of the PDF? Well, I think in 10 years' time we'll be able to know. I look forward to the next Jubilee, where we hope we can see our own community creating the impact needed firsthand where scholarly analytics and publishing close one cycle of this recursive analysis on how each affects the other. Telling these stories through the trees of our work allow us to connect with the larger community of science impact. Beyond ourselves as human, one difference between our species and all others is our ability to tell the stories and communicate these forward to the next generation. I wish you all a successful Jubilee workshop. Bye from Singapore.